Good morning students. In MS Word already we have learned some functions on a table. Today we will learn splitting cells, moving and resizing table and some simple mathematical expression on a table. So first is splitting cells. Splitting cells means breaking up of a single cell into multiple cells in a table is called splitting. Suppose here my cursor in maths column on 77 cells. Yes, now you can see here 77 there is written. So we want to make here two columns in this cell. We want to split this cell. Okay, so we will right click on it and here option split cell. How much column and rows you need, then you will select from here, then you will click on OK. Now you can see two columns here and one row. We have splitted the cell. And if you want to merge the cell, then we will select it and we will right click on it and we will click on merge cell. It will be one cell. It's merged. Yes. Now we will learn how to resize and how to move the table. You can see on top right corner one plus sign here. From here you will click and you will press hold your left mouse button, then you can drag your mouse where you want to put your table. You can put. Okay, I'm doing normal again, means on that their place. And if you want to resize the table, means we want to increase the size, and if you want to decrease the size of a table, so what we will do, whenever we will click on table, you can see left bottom corner one options here. You can see here one arrow key. When we will move our mouse there, then we can drag it. How much size we need, you can see here dotted line, how much line we need, how much size we want. We will select that much size and we will leave it. Our table size will be changed. So by using these options you can resize and you can move your table. Now we will learn some simple mathematical operations. How we will apply some simple mathematical operation. Firstly we will leave our cursor there where we want to answer. Suppose here we want to add these both numbers. So what we will do, we will click on layout tab and then we will click on fx formula. You can see here sum above. So above sides number sum will be, but we need these column cell sums. So what we will do, we will put is equal sign. Without is equal sign any formula will not apply. Okay, and then 78 and 67 we want to add, so we will write here 78. What we want to do, we want to add, so we will put plus sign and then we will write here 67 and we will click on OK button. Addition will be here. Okay, if you want to multiply, then you can do, means any operation you can apply here. You can see here is equal, this cell and this cell we will multiply, so we will write here 77 multiply. For multiply we will press star and then 89, so we will write here 89 and we will click on OK. Multiple answer will come in front of us. Okay, so you can apply this type of operation, simple mathematical operation. Okay, thank you.